Hi, this is a moment and we are going to discuss about what is the importance of the introduction. What is the necessity of a person to introduce and what is the purpose of introduction. The introduction should be a very simple and useful sentences. Information should be clear and fair and straight to the point. When you are introducing to someone, you must look into others' faces, other eyes, and you just answer what question asked by the person or interviewer. You just start with a salutation. For example, we may talk about in the morning, we used to give like a good morning. In the afternoon, we say good afternoon. In the evening, good evening. Whatever the time and their corresponding salutation should be used. On the other hand, we just start a person's name and where he come from and then give the qualification. For example, we take a small introduction like I am going to talk about myself. Hi, I am Raghuram. I come from Hyderabad, India. I completed my graduation from Indian Institute of Technology, Madras, in Electronics and Telecommunications in 2000. Since then, I am working for Sun Network as a transmission engineer. We just talk about our name, a place, and education qualifications and skill set. These are major important factors when you talk about a person. Suppose a person attend an interview, he must give the complete information with straight and the information should be included when the person is talking. Suppose, what is your hobbies? What you are doing when you get free time? So these things are apart from your regular activities. In my free time, I like cycling, swimming, or reading books, sometimes hiking, and sometimes chit-chatting with friends, playing games, and all these things, and whatever the thing is applicable for you. The hobbies person to person varies, and need not to mug up and need not to add the list and what is available in our society. What I am doing, that should be add. But don't forget, you must be attentive and listen carefully what is the question asked by the interviewer or the person. You just answer to the question. Suppose I may ask you, what is your name? What is your father? What is your mother? Do you like coffee? Do you like cocoa? Do you like reading? Do you like swimming? So all these questions, may yes, may no, just you answer open-ended question like yes, I do, no, I don't. How many brothers do you have? I have one brother and two sisters. I have 6 sisters, one brother. I have one brother, no sisters. You just give the number. What is the family size? If the interviewer used to ask you, tell about your family background. Usually, being a person introducing one to another, you just give the name and the qualification, where you come from, and apart from that, and what is your technical skills, strengths, and what is your ability. That's all, and all you must add into your introduction part. The purpose of introduction is to give information one to another, particularly the people who are attending interview to get a job. So you have to be specific, be clear, and speak confidently. Confidence is most important, along with your body language. Body language is one of the major aspects when you are communicating The communication is most important, and you just talk and give the correct information. So any questions, please don't hesitate to ask me. I am available at Raghuram20123 at YouTube, or else Raghu20123 at Skype. Thank you. See you. All the best. Thank you. Bye bye.